So what you can see is got some Alembic files from Storm, and I'm going to import Alembic. No idea if this is going to work, but let's just paste in that path and take this first one. Why is this red? It's red. No. It's a sequence. Why is this red? Well, there goes my Blender knowledge. I don't know. Import. Scrub the timeline. Oh, what do you know? It worked. Okay, so this is actually a mesh now, or I mean Alembic mesh, sort of. So I would take it that since you could export that from Mr. Storm, so yeah, you can import these. Let's just run that. So since you can export Alembic from Storm, I would take it you could, like I just showed you, import Alembic in Blender and then export this as instead of a Alembic sequence, OBJ sequence or something like that. Should work. Interesting thing is that can I really export a point cache file? MDD? Seems a bit strange, perhaps. No, it won't cut it. It won't do it. So why? I don't know. Anyways, so let's do what I was planning to do. OBJ, to this path, export Mr. OBJ, and that worked. Seemed kind of slow, but anyway. So I'll just open that. It says something is present. If I hit E, or I mean, if I hit I for invert, you can see that, yes, they are there. They were exported. So yeah, I think that should work. I think you should be able to export granular sand in into LightWave, both 11.6 and LightWave 2020. I guess I'll let you know later on, but it looks like it. I mean, how could it not be? I guess. Let's see. If I scrub this now, I mean, let's just try it. Why not? To get a more closer look to if this actually. Okay, this is not that great because it's not actually naming. The file, so I need to automate this somehow. I have no idea how to automate it because you can see it's missing the numbers. You know, this should say 043 automatically. So yeah, I need to export an object sequence somehow. So I need to learn how to do that in Blender. But anyway, so what did it say import? Sorry. There we go. We're here, and we'll say (044). That's our frame. Export. Okay. We'll open this with. Are you serious? Why can't you just remember it? Anyway, that's Windows 10. Always something in Windows 10. Yeah, so yeah, there it is. So particles. Forget about particle clone, that took forever. Particle clone plus, I guess. Let's try that. Okay, that was better. Yeah, so I just wanted to show you. Smooth Shade is a bit of a faster preview. So yeah, I just wanted to show you how you can export from Storm. You'll have to go the route using Blender, but it looks doable. I would say. Right, I'll leave it at that.